going on, guys? So we have an exciting video here. We have Lewis's GT350 and he just changed something which I'm sure you guys will want to see. Mr. Lewis just got some headers.
Yes, loud.
So we're gonna show you guys what that sounds like. And do you want to tell them what you got?
What?
Tell them what you got.
Some Longtubes, 3-inch Longtubes with H-pipe, stock axle backs.
Stock active exhaust, right?
Active exhaust.
All right, let's do the quiet mode first.
Quiet mode first? Quiet
Quiet mode first. Oh yeah, that's quiet. Loud mode. That sounds good. Nice. I'll have to do some drive-by clips.
Yep.
Whew. Sounds good. Sounds really good.
It does sound good?
Yeah.
I can't really hear it, so I hear it inside the car, but
Gotta love the Voodoo 5.2 liter flat plane crank.
the tune.
Long tube headers.
Yes, sir.
And now, E85 time. Shout out to Mr. Sam, Coastal Dyno.
Yes, sir.
We'll load the E85 tune. And we'll get filled up with some corn.
Yes, sir.
I haven't felt the difference in this, so
you have
it'll
not.
be nice.
It definitely difference.
Yeah.
Sure.
This gas station must wonder why I always film me putting gas into cars.
Oh, yeah, 'cause this weird dude.
This weird dude always films putting E85 in a car. I don't get it. Ah, the moment of glory.
Oh, yes.
Corn and everything.
Full corn.
Yes, sir. Wish these
Nice.
pumps were like cleaner, you know, because
Yeah.
whenever I take my Instagram photos,
Ugh.
oh man,
Yeah, shit.
oh. A 208 E85. What is this, full bolt on now?
Well, I don't know.
Headers?
Headers.
Yeah.
What else you bolt onto this thing?
No, the only thing you can do is cold air, but the factory cold air is pretty good.
Yeah. So basically, just the Pro Charger's next.
Just waiting on the Pro Charger. If you
Really
guys
full
didn't know, he did get rid of the twin turbo kit,
Yes, I did.
but he is doing a Pro Charger. All right, she's alive. I think the best thing is the smell. The
Yes.
price, the smell,
Yes,
and the
sir.
power.
Yes, sir.
E85.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah. Woo! Dude. It is way faster. Woo!
Damn.
That makes a huge difference.
Big difference, yep.
That feels good.
Wow.
Oh, these high compression motors love E85.
Ready?
Yep. Yes. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed these sound clips of Lewis's GT350. I wanted to update you guys on a few things here. So if you haven't already, go subscribe to Ash's channel. There will be a link down in the description and a card right here. She's starting it up. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you go check it out. Lewis's GT350 is not getting a twin turbo kit, but it is getting Pro Charged, so he's going to be doing that soon. I'm going to try to film whatever I can. Definitely let me know if you guys are excited for that. So we got a lot of crazy things going on. I have a whole build series that actually kind of like 3 rebuild series that are in the process of being finished up. So those are going to be really, really awesome. Make sure you guys go pick up a Mustang Lifestyle key tag. I also have some Mustang Lifestyle GT500 shirts still in large, XL, and 2XL. Go check those out on the website. We're making huge changes to the website very soon. I'm really, really excited for it, and I hope you guys are too. So I am incredibly excited for all of the different things that we got going on. Happy Thanksgiving. This video is going up late tonight right now. I'm filming it, but I have so many awesome things. I'm going through the footage for Mod Nationals, and we raced out there. I got to get the clutch in the GT500. I'm putting a Coyote motor in another car. There's so much going on. So make sure you guys hit the like button down below and do it on every video. It helps out so much. Get this video out to everyone. We are so close to 100,000 subscribers, and all your guys' support means so much to me. And of course, if you have any questions, you guys know I always comment down below. I reply. Definitely go comment down below. And like I said, t-shirts, key tags, they help support everything we do. And, you know, obviously everything we do is expensive, and you know, this is my job. So all of your support means so much to me. So make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe if you are new, and I mean, share your favorite video with a friend, whether it's this one or another one. GT350s, I love them. You guys love them. I want one day. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.